Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go through the ADHD friendship tracker. Okay, so what is this ADHD friendship tracker? So basically I built this because I have a pain point. It's really simple. I forget people's birthday date. That's it. I literally forgot people's birthday, and that's why that's a really big payment. Actually, I forgot my best friend birthday, and he's calling me like, "Oh, you forgot my birthday. How can you not? How can you forget to wish me?" And I was like, "Oh, sorry, dude. I knew I was. I sometimes I just literally tell them, "Oh, sorry, dude. I forgot," and that become really made them mad, and I don't know. You know, but what will happen next? Okay, so that's why I made this simple ADHD friendship tracker where you can it will helps you identify if your friend's birthday is near or right now today or tomorrow this week, and which helps you to just never forget your birthday, best friend birthday. That's the main pain point it solves. Okay, simple. Okay, now let's go to the homepage and see how it all organized. Okay, so this is a homepage, and there is a toggle about how to use this template, and it's the about me section, and also there is but for three buttons like can add a new friend here, new note here, and add images to your gallery. This works as a gallery too, so yeah, and also a journal. Here is the base view. This is the main view. In the base view, you can when you come to base view, you can literally see if someone's birthday is on today. It will show up here if someone's birthday today, and you can see the week's birthday, this week's birthday. Like this week, the Sarah's K birthday is this week, July 25, which is literally tomorrow. And that he and she is the best friend. Of course, you shouldn't forget the best friend birthday, right? And also there's many views like people to check in. This is the friendship friends you have neglected to you, the 10 friends you didn't text back their birthday or something like that. Okay, and there is low energy conversation where you can see the people you literally don't need that much of energy to talk to. Okay, and there is also a emotional journal which is a journal. You can literally just press this button, add a note, work as a journal too. Just open it and write down what you feel, what you felt with you when you are going out with friends and blah blah blah, that thing. Okay, and there is also a recent memories where you can snap everything. Like when you see something with your group of friends and you snap, of course, being with friends really, you are from camera like or like you literally snap a lot of photos. So that's what something you can add here and create your own gallery with friends. Okay, and that's how the recent memories works. And that's it. That's a basic view here. And this, and in the other side, like you can see the navigation section, and here there is some important features I should talk to. First, there is best friends only. So why this section is a feature is really important? Well, you have ton of friends. Maybe you have 10 or 12 friends. Okay, and in this section you can see the friends that really matter. That's the page. That's how this page works. When you tap on it, you can see your besties. Okay, you have in here there is three besties: Tanvi, Sarah, and Nikhil. That's the three besties where you can also see the profile here. Cute three profiles, right? And there is also our gallery where you can when you snap photos, which and when you link that photos with your who's these best friends are, then you'll show up in this gallery, and it act like a gallery that only taken with best friends. Okay, do you want to show? Okay, I will show you. I heard your mind voice actually. Okay, see, uh, come here, let's say um, storage. Let's link that to some storage. There is nothing storage. Okay, so uh, Okay, let's add that and then open that. And this file, let's add a file. So here I added a post random photo from Pinterest, which is enjoying, yeah, friends with enjoying in pub. So I linked that to Tanvi. You can you can open that with Tanvi here, where you can where you can see that I am fun in pub. This is showing profile. And when we come to the bar photo gallery, see, you can see the profile photo in here, our gallery. But if I remove that Tanvi as my best friend, like that, it gonna not show up, because it will go only for best friends gallery only. Okay, hope you understand that. And now then, there you can see the neglected feature, where you can see all the people you forgot to text back. Okay, and also there is a birthday month where you can see the birthday you are having, their friend's birthday that is in this month. All friends you memory line and their notes section, where you can see notes you have written so far. There is ghosted again, chill, call late night, and blah blah. There is a lot. You can write, literally write things here. Just open new page. Open new page. Wait, yeah. Give a title, something like I was sad. I was sad, and then just open it, and just you can either just link that to your friend, why you are if that friend that made you sad, if a friend that is making you sad, then just link that which friend made you sad. Nigel are made me sad. Okay, I link that. You can also add date, moods, energy after blah blah. But or else you can just give a heading like I was literally I was sad for not inviting. Okay, and then write that down, descriptions, description, or like anything you that bothering you right here. And you can also add the selfie about your selfie while you're sad, and I'm posting here. Okay, that's how this works. Let's go to home, and there is archive page where you can archive people. So that's a cool feature to have. And you got to story, I will show you how that works. Remember, there is a reason we created, like having fun in map. That's a storage we added. And you can just, this is also a reminder feature where you can add to reminder, and it will show up in the reminder section, and for to you can review there. Okay, and there is, you can mark this archive, and it will go on from here, and it gonna show up in the archive page, not in profile, not in note, because we achieved that in storage, so it's gonna show up here. Okay, you can simply just unachieve things here too. Okay, and that's how this ADHD friendship tracker works. You can record the friend, you can track everyone you interacted with, like add their profile here, and then start writing notes about or journal related to them. You can add create a gallery for them. And also, most important feature, never forget, you can if this Notion template, you will never forget a birthday of your best friend. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'm adding this Notion template link in the description, so you can download that. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you again with other workflow, that really helpful workflow with next time. So till then, enjoy this Notion template.